does not sound consistent enough to be a rod knock. I think that's some emissions sensor clacking away. Alright, so here's the flex plate removed, and it does look whole, but listen to it. I think the perimeter has become separated from the plate. Yep, so I went to start the engine, of course, without the cogs here on the perimeter of the flex plate. This started, just went, I was like, oh yeah, of course. Anyway, so I got another one coming. Let's see how that goes. Okay, I also think I found the source of the noise here. I think what we got right here, is damage from the flywheel rubbing up against the block. I see any on the other side. Not really. Not so sure. Yeah, I guess it does look about the right spot. And actually the main isn't leaking. Well, it might be leaking right down the bottom here a little bit. Right here, but this oil pan is definitely leaking right here. That could be the main seal. I got a main coming, so I'll replace it anyway, and we'll see if that clears up. Alright, I think the rest of this is fine. I think it needs cats. These cats don't seem to be flowing. I can't see anything wrong with them, but there was just no air coming out of them.